last time it had 1215s in it.
Okay.
We made it to a 6th order.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Is there anyone who can put the windows up for some info real quick? I do videos, so you already know. That's loud.
Yeah.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick, man?
Taylor Jarrett, it's 9 U15s, dual 2s, on 3 7500s right now. They're wired at like 1.4. I got 3 more.
Wow.
I gotta put back in it.
So is that 3? What size ports are those in the back?
Right at 7.5.
7.5? Okay. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Looks really good. Nice job.
Thank you.
Wow.
You got videos of it a while back.
I remember you used to have a 4th order.
Yeah, it
Were
was
you on both ends?
It was 1812s
Wow.
before, and then you got it last time it had 1215s in it.
Okay.
We made it to a 6th order.
Yes, sir.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Quick little commentary. So I went ahead and added the link in the description video from previous demo that he gave me when he had his 1812s. And that picture right there is a thumbnail of what the subwoofer station was. That was when he had a 4th order. Now he has an actual 6th order bandpass enclosure. And if anybody doesn't know, a 6th order has 2 tunings. So your rear port tuning, which is these green things in the back here you can see in this picture. He has 3 7-inch arrow ports that are custom made. That makes this a 6th order. And then his second tuning port is in the front. This one doesn't have a port wall, but it is still acting as a port with a no loading wall. So that's what makes this a 6th order. If anybody hopefully learned something there. If I made a mistake, let me know in the comments. So last thing I have, question of the day before we get to the demo. What do you prefer, invert or mount regular for your subwoofers? Do you prefer to regular mount your subwoofers or invert them? He has his inverted, as you can tell with the motors. I'm sure you could try both ways and see which way is louder. Every system varies, but let me know in the comments looking to see if you prefer inverting your subs or mounting them regular. And let's go ahead and get to this bass demo, and then we'll see power at the end.
Awesome. Woo! Thank you for the demo.
No problem.
Thank you very much for the demo. What was your name?
Taylor.
Taylor. Thank you, Taylor. I'm gonna go look at the amp rack. Have a good day.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.